Hi, it's Cine Expo 2024 in Munich. I'm on the Panther stand with Marcus. Thanks for talking to us. So you've got a lot of kit here this year.
Right.
What's the best bit? What's the most exciting piece?
The best bit and most exciting bit is our center column dolly,
Yep.
which is on display here. The new feature of that is that you can actually take out the column. That is a new thing for the Panther dollies. Before that, we had fixed center columns. They were firmly attached with the base. And this new model allows you to separate the column from the base.
Right.
That comes into activity when you are moving, let's say, upstairs in the building. You have no elevator. You have to carry up the whole dolly to a third, fourth floor or higher. Then the crew can take the column up and later on the base or the other way, and they don't have to strain their backs that much.
Yeah, that makes a massive difference to the weight, doesn't it?
Certainly does, yeah. Cuts it by half.
Yeah.
So further to that, we have implemented in that dolly a new electronic system. We have a display in color on that, allowing the operator to see with the bar where he actually is. He also sees the level of battery of the handset or the dolly. He can program ramps, he can adjust the speeds, all this with the handset, which has been newly designed. Additional to that, you see on top of this dolly a range extender, which is moving in a perfect vertical movement. And it attaches on top of all the Panther dollies. The older models can be upgraded so that this range extender can be mounted as well. And it gives you about 1.40 m movement.
Yeah.
Normal column dollies, as from any manufacturer on the market with the column, they have about 70 centimeter movement. So this is actually giving you double the movement.
And it goes nice and low as well, doesn't it?
It goes quite low.
Yeah.
You can actually, here with this 80 millimeter mount, remove the platform. You can go down with the tube and you can start at ground level and then just go up.
Yeah.
So it's a vertical straight movement. There's no banana effect or anything. It moves straight up. Additional to that, we have redesigned our platforms, also compatible with all existing Panther dollies which are out there. Our battery system has also been changed. Batteries just drop in here. It's the good old-fashioned lead gel, reliable and cheap to replace. These batteries, they come into place with our rickshaw dolly, which is motorized, also with the scissor arm dolly, the S-type. So we're sort of just having a single battery system now, which is going to power and propel all the systems that we have out there.
Yeah. It's brilliant. I mean, that being able to connect everything and not having to find a different battery for a different dolly.
Compatibility, that's the key word.
Yeah.
Good.
And has this been driven from customer feedback?
Definitely has, yeah.
It's, there's, it's been a bit of a tough year, hasn't it? We've had, the business has been up and down kind of thing. Have you found, because people aren't quite as busy, they've been a bit more vocal with you and saying you've had more time to talk to them about problems?
I wouldn't say that. We're in constant contact with the end client, and we try to implement what the feedback that they give us into the machines to make it more easy for them to use and easier to operate.
Yeah. And that backwards compatibility as well.
Right.
So all your existing kit, you can use this on it. Yeah. Hugely important. Well, thank you for spending the time talking to us, Marcus.
My pleasure.
And we'll see. What's the next show you got? IBC? Or?
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
it's IBC. Yeah. IBC, we're going to be at Broadcast India in Mumbai.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be at Interbee in Tokyo.
Right.
And I think that's it. Yeah, okay.
That's quite a lot.
Okay. Lots to do.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you.